Today, we have a 4-minute jawline sculpting face yoga that you can do easily at home. First exercise is chin to ear. Pinch your chin and then start to move upwards to your ears with your knuckles. Slide with your thumbs on double chin area below jawline area. Keep doing this with a medium pressure for 10 times. With this move, you're gonna sculpt your jawline and move double chin fat towards lymph nodes. Also, by boosting blood circulation, you're gonna increase fat burn process. Next exercise is chin push and vibrate. Keep your mouth open and then start to push and vibrate upwards with your knuckles on double chin area. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. This exercise will smash fat cells in double chin area and below jawline. As a result, it will give you a sculpted, sharp jawline. Next exercise is neck lift. Tilt your head slightly upwards, then push your jaw forward. Feel the stretch in your jaw and your neck. Then come back to normal position and repeat this for 10 times. This move will reduce jaw tension and help with facial symmetry. It will also work on neck muscles, stretch and lengthen them. Next exercise is Kiss the Sky. This is one of the most effective exercises in jawline sculpting, reducing double chin fat and buccal fat. Tilt your head slightly upwards and then start to blow kisses towards the sky or the ceiling. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. While doing the move, feel the stretch in your neck, your double chin, and your cheeks. Next exercise is smiling fish face. For this move, hold your cheeks in and make fish face. Then try to smile while you are holding this position. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. This exercise is so effective to reduce buccal fat and double chin fat. It will give you a sculpted jawline and face as well. This move will also help to lift the cheeks and make them sculpted. Next exercise is cheeks puff. Fill your cheeks with air and hold it. Then start to move the air between your cheeks for 30 seconds. This exercise will strengthen facial muscles, improving circulation, supporting lymphatic drainage, and reducing face fat. It targets areas like jawline, cheeks, and neck. Next exercise is jaw release. With your knuckles, start to move downwards on the masseter muscle, starting from your ears downwards on the corner of your jaw. Keep doing this slowly with medium pressure for 10 times. This move will tone facial muscles, reduce puffiness, improve posture, and relieve jaw tension. And lastly, we move on to lymphatic drainage. Start with your ears, massaging around them for 10 seconds with your fingers. Then move to the neck sides and start to move downward with your knuckles for 10 times. By promoting lymphatic drainage, it will help to sculpt your jawline. This was it for today's easy and quick routine. See you next one. Bye.